Hi, welcome to today's section 11th Standard Accountancy, Unit 4 Ledger Accounts. Today we are going to see how to do postings directly in the ledger. I have taken a model sum, exercise 11. The question goes like this. Show direct ledger postings for the following transactions. 2017 June 1. Raj commenced business with cash. June 6. Sold goods for cash 8,000. June 8. Sold goods to Devi on credit 9,000. June 15. Goods purchased for cash 4,000. June 20. Goods purchased from Shanti on credit 5,000. So from this transaction, very simple sum, we have to first find out what are the ledger accounts to open. So here are the ledger accounts which you want to open in each transactions. In the first transaction, Raj commenced business with 50,000 rupees. இல்லையா இப்போ ராஜ் வந்து பிஸ்னஸில் பணம் போடுறாங்க. ஸோ இது ராஜோட பிஸ்னஸ். ஸோ அங்கே ரெண்டு அக்கௌண்ட் நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்ணணும், ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணணும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட் ஒன்று இருக்கும், கண்டிப்பாக கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட் ஒன்று இருக்கும். செகண்ட் டிரான்சாக்ஷன் பாருங்கள், சோல்டு குட்ஸ் ஃபார் கேஷ் அப்படின் போது I have already told you the word cash என்னும் போது you have a cash account. So cash already we have opened an account. The next is that we have to give importance to the sales account. So open a sales account. The third transaction you see, sold goods to Devi on credit. Okay, so the word, underline the word credit. So here it is clear that the sales transaction is done, but it is credit sales. So here comes the name of the person, Devi. அப்போ தேவிக்கு ஒரு அக்கௌண்ட் ஓப்பன் பண்ணிடுங்க. சேல்ஸுக்கு நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி ஓப்பன் பண்ணியாச்சு. Goods purchased for cash. So the fourth transaction is purchase transaction. How we are purchasing? Cash purchase பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ கேஷ் அப்படின்ற அந்த வேர்டை பார்த்தோன்னா ஒரு அக்கௌண்ட் ஓப்பன் பண்ணோம். ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட் ஓப்பன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ நவ் வி வாண்ட் டு கிவ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் டு த பர்ச்சேஸ் அக்கௌண்ட். ஸோ ஓப்பன் அன் அக்கௌண்ட் ஃபார் பர்ச்சேஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு லாஸ்ட் ட்ரான்சாக்ஷன் பாருங்கள், goods purchased on Shanti for credit. Okay, so here also there is a purchase transaction only, but it is credit purchase. So already நம்ம பர்ச்சேஸ்க்கு ஒரு அக்கௌண்ட் ஓப்பன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். நவ் நேம் ஆஃப் த கிரெடிட்டர் தட் இஸ் சாந்தி. சாந்திக்கு ஒரு அக்கௌண்ட் ஓப்பன் பண்ணோம். ஸோ இந்த 5 டிரான்சாக்ஷனுக்கு நம்ம 6 லெஜர் அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணி ஓப்பன் பண்ணணும். யூ காட் மீ? ஸோ நவ் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு directly do the posting without writing the journal entries. So let me show you how to do that. First transaction, let us take us in the hand. 2017 June 1st, Raj commenced business with cash. So I told you there is an account called cash as well as capital. The commenced business அப்படின் வந்தாலே என்னது capital account open பண்ணும். So now let us write the heading, ledger accounts, debit, credit on either sides. Next we are going to open the cash account. Okay, so capital account is also opened. Now first we are going to do the posting in cash account. Let us draw the format, fill up the headings, and then let us start proceeding to enter the ledger posting. You got me? Now in this transaction it is clear that cash account is opened and capital account is opened. Okay, now when cash is invested in the business, cash comes into the business. So you want to apply the golden rules in your mind. மைண்டில் உன்னோட கோல்டன் ரூல்ஸை நீ வந்து யோசித்துட்ருக்கணும். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட் when cash comes in என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? we have to apply the debit rule. So debit what comes in, இல்லையா? So now cash account is debited and capital account is credited. Am I right? So the journal entry goes like this, isn't it? Cash to capital. I'm just roughly writing it for you, but it will be better you do it on your own without writing the journal entry. So this entry, that is cash to capital, should come into your mind. So here cash account is debited. So now keep the hand in the debit side of the cash account, and then you want to write the opposite entry, that is capital account. அப்போ கேஷில் கேஷ் வராது இல்லையா? ஸோ ஆப்போசிட் என்ட்ரி தான் நீங்கள் போஸ்ட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ கீப் தட் இன் மைண்ட். நவ் see debit side, write the year, month and date. June 2017, June 1st, to capital account. The amount is 50,000. Okay, next you can see here the capital account is credited. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to keep the hand in the credit side of the capital account, and then you want to post the opposite entry, that is cash entry. So here you see capital account. So capital account I am going to post it. Draw the lines, write the transaction, date in the credit side, by cash account 50,000. So this is how you want to do the postings. So now two accounts is entered without writing the journal entry. One is cash account, another one is capital account. Now the next transaction, that is sold goods for cash 8,000. That's happening on June 6th. இப்போ sold goods for cash அப்படின்னும் போது what are the two accounts that we want to identify? One is sales account, another one is cash account. So cash account already we are having the cash account, we want to open the sales account. இப்போ first cash entry பண்ணிடலாம். So cash account போது what is going to be the transaction? மைண்டில் நீங்கள் யோசித்து பாருங்கள். சேல்ஸ்ன்னும் போது sales account is always a credit transaction. So the entry will be cash to sales, isn't it not? So this is going to be the journal entry. So now cash account is debited. So keep the hand in the debit side of the cash account, and then you want to do the postings, isn't it not? Okay, now let us do. June 6th, 2 sales, the amount is 8,000. Next we want to post it in the sales account. Let us go to the sales account. So once again, here we have to open the sales ledger. Once again the question comes here for your notification. Draw the format, fill up the headings. Okay, now sales account was credited. So keep the hand in the credit side of the sales account, and then you want to write by cash. Start writing the date and the year. By cash, the amount is 8,000. So the second transaction is completed now. Cash to sales. Next you see here there is a third transaction. It is a credit sales. So here already sales account is here. Now we want to open this Devi account, isn't it? So let us open this Devi account. Draw the lines, fill up the headings. Okay, now when it is credit sales, what will be the journal entry? Who is the receiver? Devi is the receiver. So Devi you want to debit, and then sales is always a credit entry. So this is going to be your journal entry, Devi to sales. So Devi account is debited. Keep the hand in the debit side of the Devi account, and you want to post this sales entry to sales. Now shall we start posting? Okay, fine. Next you see here 2017 June 8, 2 sales, the amount is 9,000. Okay, next you want to post it in the sales account. So sales account was credited, isn't it? So keep the hand in the credit side of the sales account and write opposite debit entry, that is Devi. So June 8 by Devi account 9,000. So this is how you want to post in the direct ledger. So in this slide both sales and Devi account is very much clear to you. So you can see at a time. Am I right? Next, shall we go to the next transaction? Yes. So before going to the transaction, let us see what is given here. See here, cash account is already there with us. What are the two transactions that is already posted in cash ledger? One is capital entry and other one is cash sales. Now let us see what we have to post here. The transaction is June 15, goods purchase for cash. So here already we have a cash account in our hand. Now we want to open the purchase ledger only. So let us open the purchase account. Draw the format, write the headings. Okay, now see what will be the journal entry for this. Purchase is always a debit entry, so you have to write purchase account debited to cash account. Am I right? So purchase to cash is going to be the transaction. So purchase account is debited. Keep the hand in the debit side of the purchase account. Purchase account oda debit side கையை வச்சுட்டு நீ opposite entry to cash ன்னு எழுதணும். Cash account என்ன இருக்கு? Credit ஆயிருக்கு. So cash account ஓட credit side நீங்கள் கையை வச்சுட்டு by purchase ன்னு entry பண்ணணும். Likewise, we are going to post this. So I am just going to erase this journal entry, and now let us see how to post this. So purchase account, in the cash account we are going to post 2017 June 15 by purchase account, the amount is 4,000. Okay, coming to purchase account, debit side 2017 June 15 to cash 4,000. ஸோ இப்போ நீங்கள் பார்க்கலாம், ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக நம்ம ஒரு டெபிட் என்ட்ரி போட்டோம்னா ஒரு கிரெடிட் என்ட்ரி நம்ம கொடுக்கணும். அக்கௌண்ட் வைஸ் ஒரு டெபிட் போஸ்டிங், கிரெடிட் போஸ்டிங், ஒரே டிரான்சாக்ஷனில் ரெண்டு அக்கௌண்ட்டையும் போஸ்டிங் பண்ணிட்டோமான்னு நம்ம செக் பண்ணிக்கணும் சைமல்டேனியஸாக. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் let us go to the next slide. Already there is a purchase account with us. What is the content? Debit side, there is a cash purchase 4,000. Next, let us see what to do. Here June 20 there is a credit purchase. So goods purchase from Shanti on credit is what? 5,000. So now already purchase transaction is here. Now we want to open an account for Shanti. Let us open Shanti account. Draw the lines, fill up the headings. Okay, now what will be the ledger accounts? Let us see how to post it. First let us write the transaction. So the entry will be purchase account is always debited, so purchase to Shanti, purchase to Shanti account, isn't it not? Okay, fine. So purchase account is debited, so purchase account la poi nee opposite entry enna kodukano? Shanti account kodukano. Keep the hand in the debit side of the purchase account. Why? Because purchase account is debited. Okay, next Shanti account la eppadi posting பண்ணுவீங்க? First Shanti account debit ஆயிருக்கா, credit ஆயிருக்கா? Credit ஆயிருக்கு. So Shanti account ஓட credit side கையை வைக்கணும். கையை வச்சுட்டு ஆப்போசிட் என்ட்ரியை போஸ்ட் பண்ணணும். அதாவது இந்த டெபிட் என்ட்ரியை நம்ம போஸ்ட் பண்ணுவோம். அப்போ கிரெடிட் சைடுன்றதுனால we have to begin using the word buy. So buy purchase அப்படி என்ட்ரி கொடுக்கணும். Now let us see how we are going to post this. So the next is that we are going to start posting purchase account la parunga June 20 debit side to Shanti nu potirukom 5,000. Next we have to post it in Shanti account, opposite side ku vaanga. Ipo debit side or posting mudichitom, aduthu nama credit posting onu pannanom. So 2017 June 20 by purchase, the amount is 5,000. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind that same account cannot be posted in the same account. The account name differs. அதாவது கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் கேஷ் போஸ்ட் பண்ண முடியாது, பர்ச்சேஸ் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் பர்ச்சேஸ் போஸ்ட் பண்ண முடியாது, சேல்ஸ் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் சேல்ஸை போஸ்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. அதாவது த நேம் அக்கௌண்ட் நேம். ஸோ அதோட ஆப்போசிட் என்ட்ரி தான் நம்ம போஸ்ட் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ கீப் தட் இன் மைண்ட். ஓகே ஓகே, hope you understood how to do direct posting. Thank you for listening. Let me meet you in the next unit in the forthcoming session.